Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to flow simulation this Pelton turbine. We will find out the flow to the turbine like this. And without wasting time, let's start it. First, make this turbine house transparent. And this is the water simulation that I made. See? Water touch the blade. Suppress the water simulation. Go to Solidworks at ends, active Solidworks flow simulation. Go to flow simulation. Now we create lips because we use internal flow simulation. Click this face and click this face. Okay. Now click check geometry to see no leak in this simulation. Choose internal type analysis, click check. See, check is successful and no leak in the analysis. Click show fluid volume. See? Now active wizard. My project name is CFD Turbine Pelton. Click next. Choose SI unit. Click next. Choose internal analysis. Click next. Choose liquid. Choose water. Click add. Click next. Choose the full wall condition. Click next. Click finish. See? High computational demand. Insert boundary condition. Click this face. Choose inlet velocity. My velocity parameter is 135 meter per second. Okay. Make this nozzle transparent. Change name to inlet. Insert boundary condition again. Click this face. Choose environmental pressure. Okay. Change name to outlet. Now we insert balls. Check maximum total pressure. Check efferent velocity. Check all force. And check all torque. Okay. Check all goals name.
Few inches later.
See? Now we create mesh. Create global mesh. Choose automatic mesh. Okay. And run this simulation. Click run. Check solve. And click run. And wait the simulation done.
A few moments later.
Simulation is done, but I don't know why torque Y and torque Z axis not 100% and force X not 100% too. If you know why, please comment below. Now let's see the analysis. Insert cut plots. Delete this parameter. Choose XYZ plan. Choose ZZ plan. Choose contour, vector, and streamlines. Make all is velocity. Sorry, the contour not active. Go to cut plot again. Check contours. Choose velocity. Okay. You can see flow of water. Hide this plot. Insert surface plot. Check all phase. Choose contour. Choose pressure. Okay. Sorry, go to surface plot again. Uncheck use all surface. Click Pelton Turbine. Okay. See? You can see the pressure that occur on the turbine blades. Active probe. Right click result, click prop, see, pressure in the blade is 9 MPa. You can see use this prop tool. An active prod, hide this plot, insert flow trajectories, delete this parameter, my number of point parameter is 150, choose line, choose velocity, click this face, OK. See? Play this plot. See? Go to this plot, change to 50 point. OK. Play again. See, and you can see the animation how flow to the turbine. Now insert goals. Check all, click show. See? Velocity value is 18.79 meter per second. And you can see value of force, minus mean direction of force. And you can see value of torque. Torque in x-axis is minus 2030.07 Nm. I think it's the end of tutorial. I hope you like it and you can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.